Inside ESL Learning. The BV Nature Sprint. Welcome back to the English Shadowing Lab. After mastering human interactions in our vocal gym lab, it's time to take your training into the wild. Today, we enter the BV Nature Sprint. In this session, we will push your neural orchestra to its limits with 10 drills inspired by the animal kingdom and the natural world. We are focusing on the organic transition between the firm plosive B and the vibrating friction of the V. Are you ready for this wilderness workout? Let's begin. Keep your reflexes sharp by following the lab protocol. Listen, observe the scene and train your ears to identify the sounds. Repeat. Wait for the pause and imitate the phrase with full emotional energy. Shadow. Speak simultaneously with me. Match my speed and tone to build professional reflexes. Follow the icon instructions located at the top left of the screen to guide your speech team. Now, pause this video and do these quick face exercises to warm up. It helps relax your mouth muscles so you can control them better. And it shifts the vibration of your voice from the chest, low resonance, to the head, high resonance. This change is essential for articulatory precision. Hit play and continue the challenge when you're ready. Let's start the sprint. Feel the vibration in every breath. Big blue berries bring bright vibrations. Big blue berries bring bright vibrations. Big blue berries bring bright vibrations. Victor viewed a vast, beautiful valley. Victor viewed a vast, beautiful valley. Victor viewed a vast, beautiful valley. Vast views reveal brave brown bears. Vast views reveal brave brown bears. Vast views reveal brave brown bears. Big brown bears devour vibrant berries. Big brown bears devour vibrant berries. Big brown bears devour vibrant berries. Beautiful birds visit big violet valleys. Beautiful birds visit big violet valleys. Beautiful birds visit big violet valleys. Beautiful butterflies visit velvet vines. Beautiful butterflies visit velvet vines. Beautiful butterflies visit velvet vines. A big black bug sat on a tree. A big black bug sat on a tree. A big black bug sat on a tree. Velvety velvet worms on brown bark. Velvety velvet worms on brown bark. Velvety velvet worms on brown bark. Brave beavers build big barriers by vast valleys. Brave beavers build big barriers by vast valleys. Brave beavers build big barriers by vast valleys. Big bison browse by vast, vibrant valleys. Big bison browse by vast, vibrant valleys. Big bison browse by vast, vibrant valleys. Outstanding performance. By practicing in this nature sprint, you have forced your motor cortex to adapt to unpredictable rhythmic flows. This neural tug-of-war between the lips and teeth is what builds the high-level coordination needed for effortless fluency in any environment. You are no longer just speaking, you are performing with elite precision. Consistency is the key to success. Practice shadowing these nature drills for 10 minutes every day to keep your voice strong. You've completed the Be a V series. Your journey continues here, at the English Shadowing Lab. See you in the next workout.